The Water Heater Warehouse is your trusted source for high-quality electric water heater solutions for residential and commercial properties. Our team helps customers find reliable water heating systems that deliver consistent hot water, energy efficiency, and long-term performance. Whether you are replacing an outdated unit or installing a new system, we offer expert guidance and dependable products to meet your needs. An electric water heater is a popular choice because it provides efficient operation, easy maintenance, and dependable comfort. The Water Heater Warehouse is committed to delivering exceptional service and helping customers enjoy reliable hot water every day. Contact our electric water heater today for a free estimate. Are you looking for an electric water heater near me? You can stop looking. You found the Water Heater Warehouse. What is the new law for water heaters in California? In California, zero-emission, electric heat pump water heaters are gradually replacing conventional natural gas-fired ones. The transition timeline is progressing, even if the particular regulations differ depending on where you live. What brand electric water heater is best? Rheem and A.O. Smith are now the top brands of electric water heaters available. Professionals highly endorse them because of their smart tech integration, extensive warranties, and dependability. Bradford White is also a great option for high-end, contractor-grade tank units. What is the downside of an electric water heater? Although electric water heaters are less expensive to install, they have slower water heating and recovery times, as well as greater long-term utility costs. Additionally, they are unable to provide hot water when there is a power outage. Furthermore, tank versions have a limited supply of hot water, whereas demand models necessitate significant electrical modifications. Where is your service area for the Fullerton, California office? Our local electric water heater services has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Fullerton, Westminster, Santa Ana, Sleepy Hollow, Diamond Bar, South San Jose Hills, Whittier, Norwalk, Lakewood, Cypress, Midway City, Garden Grove, Orange, Villa Park, Santa Fe Springs, Stanton, Los Alamitos, and Yorba Linda. Where is your electric water heater services company located? We are located at 1114 East Truslow Avenue, Fullerton, California 92831. Our phone number is 714-244-8562. http://www.thewaterheaterwarehouse.com/